welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing package from ColourPop, and this is my package. So I forgot what's in here, so let's get started. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, this one. So I want to show you, I bought the lippies. I think this is lip a pen. I bought the whole collection. I don't know if this is a collection, but this is the lippy pencil stash. They have a nice box. I don't know how many inside. Let me count it for you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 34, 36. 36 lippy stash, lippy pencil, lippy pencil. Yeah, lippy pencil stash. So it has a lot of colors. I am going to be doing another video trying out these colors. So it's really cool. It has orange, it has pink. Oh my god, it's so exciting. So yes, I bought the lippy pencil stash. Let me put you on the side. They have a letter. Thanks a latte. Okay, I also bought the ColourPop Aura and Out, which is this. I'm gonna open it for you. Ta-da! I don't know if it's too bright, but oopsie. These are the shades. I don't know if this will work on my skin tone, but let's see later. No, it has a mirror actually, it's just covered. So yeah, okay, put you on the side. I also bought, you know why I bought this? Because it's sale, so why not? I also bought the Glitterally Obsessed Body Glitter. It's a body glitter? Really? So the glitter is like that. I don't want to open it, but yeah. I also bought the volumizing mascara, which is this. I never tried the mascara, so why not to try it? It's sale. So lashes check. That's how it looks like. And ultra blotted lip. Put me in your lips. Vitamin C. I don't know if this is like oh, that's the shade is like that. Okay. My son. Okay. I also have this glossy lip. Nice packaging. Nude glossy. Nice. This one. And ultra glossy lip in Champagne Mammy. Champagne Mammy. Oh, it's shimmery. So yes, so excited to use this. So yes, that's my box for today. I'm going to try the lippy pencil next time. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and ring that bell for you to get notified in my upcoming videos. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye!